Midday brings to you Mumbai Khabar. Here's a quick look at what's happening in the city. ED asks Sushant's friend Siddharth Pithani to furnish financial records of 5 years. The Enforcement Directorate ED questioned Siddharth Pithani, Sushant Singh Rajput's former roommate and friend, till early Wednesday morning in connection with a money laundering case filed by the late actor's father. According to sources in the agency, Pithani arrived at the ED office at Ballard Pier in South Mumbai around 11:30 am and was questioned till 2 am. During the 14-hour questioning, the officers asked Pithani about the nature of his contract with Rajput while working as a creative manager for him. They also asked him about the mode of payment of his salary. Cabinet sets 3-year deadline for redevelopment of cessed buildings in Mumbai. The Maharashtra government on Wednesday proposed to fast-track the redevelopment of cessed buildings in the city. Approving an amendment to the development rules, the state cabinet said the new homes for the tenants of the dilapidated structures should be built within 3 years of starting the project. Once the amendment is passed in the forthcoming legislative session, the new rule will apply to the uninitiated, incomplete or stalled projects and will benefit the residents of thousands of buildings. Will there be no local trains for regular commuters this year? The validity of the e-pass issued to essential services workers travelling in Mumbai locals has led to speculations that the regular commuters might not get permission to travel until the end of this year. On the pass issued, the validity date is till December 30. However, according to Shivaji Sutar, Chief Public Relation Officer of Central Railway, the validity has been given for a maximum period so that the passengers don't have to go through the process all over again. Commuters' experience photographs at Dadar station reveal shocking picture. While authorities claim that every single person entering the state follows mandatory COVID-19 protocols, a commuter's experience and photographs at Dadar station on the eastern side reveal a shocking and worrying picture. A Dombivli resident who took pictures to highlight the issue said that on August 7 around 7 pm, his visit to Dadar coincided with the arrival of passenger trains. As the passengers exited the station and spilled onto the streets, there was complete chaos. No social distancing, no masks and no protocols. The true super cops of Mumbai. 4 Mumbai policemen have been declared superheroes by the city's Commissioner of Police, Parambir Singh, for various feats since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. Singh facilitated them and their pictures have been displayed by Bisleri on its vehicles. The 4 helped by going out of their way to help common citizens during the pandemic. Police Nayak Deepak Nikale, who ensured social distancing is maintained by singing to people over raising sticks. Constable Tejas Sonavane converted a friend's car into an ambulance with facilities such as oxygen, stretchers and other equipment when he found that people are not getting ambulances to go to the hospital. Police Inspector Vijay Madai helped arrange donations for families of 60 policemen who died of COVID-19 and used his own money to provide food grains to over 5,000 people. Constable Shrikant Deshpande saved a woman who was about to commit suicide by jumping from JJ flyover on April 4. Stay tuned for more updates with Mumbai Khabar only on midday.com.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.